Canadian national. Don't be a lazy bones. Because the Santa Fe war bonnet is like this for a reason. Why? Ooh, colorful. That's about it though. Grand Trunk, why did you rip off Canadian National? You had one job. Jump scare in 3, 2, 1. Why did you make it Pumpkin Express locomotive? Is it really just a pumpkin? Honk the horns of holly jolly, fa la 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 la. Why is this locomotive all yellow? Oh yes, the Music City Star Locomotive Trio. Didn't I talk about the Music City Star Locomotive last episode?
Really? You had one job. I can see the Amtrak logo. Darkish. Okay, nothing bad is gonna happen.
Again! Freaking again!
CSX, you had one job. One freaking job. And you let the kids draw on the unit? You gotta love the clinch field, dudes. BNSF. Why is this locomotive blue like a Smurf cat?
Wait a minute, I have seen this before.
BNSF, why are the letters golden? This is not normal at all.
You know, the locomotive doesn't look that bad. Because the letters are golden. That's because why it's called the Golden Swoop.
Oh, this is the nickname the Great Pumpkin. Do you guys remember this locomotive I showed you? Well, this is what it looks like now.
Oh yeah, this locomotive is like a Dash 8 and a GP20 combined. I like it. Not. Brother. Not bad, not bad. This is the barf bonnet, but it's gonna make me vomit in 2 minutes.
Oh, why the BNSF keep getting there?
And why is it a Smurf like this? Didn't you patch it by unintentionally?
Comment down below which one is your favorite, and that's about it, and I'll see you guys next time.